In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple railing planter. Let's get right to it. I'll start by measuring out and cutting up all the main wood pieces I'll need. There's one base piece that'll support all 14 of the side and end panels. Each of the panels is 6 inches long, so I've got a bit of sawing to do. I'll take a few minutes to sand down each of these sides. Next, I'll lay out the main board and position all the panels around it, making sure they all fit perfectly. To attach the end boards, I'll pre-drill 2 holes and countersink them with a drill bit. You'll want to do this to avoid splitting the wood, especially since they're so close to the edge. For the side pieces, I'm just going to use a single screw in each of them. Same procedure with the pre-drill and countersink. The dimensions for this planter will all be left in the description below. This project is a small one, but by making a few measurement adjustments, this planter can be upsized to however large you like. With the main structure complete, I'll add some decorative trim around the base and top. This trim will serve the dual purpose of covering all the visible screw heads. I'll measure out the pieces and use my miter box to get 45-degree angles. To attach these, a few simple nails should do the trick. The top trim will be made from slightly wider wood, which will provide a nice overhang feature. Next, I'll add a few drain holes in the bottom. I decided to add a base trim on the back side so the planter rests evenly against the railing. This step will vary depending on the location you plan on using. This balcony is surrounded primarily by glass, so I'll need to use the posts to support the planter. Again, depending on your railing, the method of attachment will vary. I'll be using a few scrap pieces to fashion a hook attachment to support the planter. I'll secure it to the back using a few screws. Okay, let's fill this with soil and get the plants in. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video and give this project a go. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.